I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to play Guitar Hero for beginners. First, let's get set up. Connect your guitar controller to your gaming console. Hold the guitar comfortably, just like a real instrument. Familiarize yourself with the 5 colored fret buttons on the neck. Also, locate the strum bar and the whammy bar. Understanding these basic components is your first step to becoming a rock star. Now, let's dive into gameplay. As notes scroll down the screen, match their colors to the corresponding fret buttons on your guitar. When a note reaches the hit line at the bottom, strum the strum bar. It's crucial to press the fret button and strum simultaneously. Start by practicing single notes to get your timing down, then gradually move to more complex patterns. Keep your strumming hand relaxed for optimal performance. Ready to boost your score? Collect star power by hitting glowing note streaks. Once your star power meter is full, activate it by tilting your guitar up or pressing a designated button. This will double your score for a short period, so use it strategically. On sustained notes, wiggle the whammy bar to earn additional points. Also, explore hammer-ons and pull-offs to hit notes without strumming, especially on faster sections. The key to mastering Guitar Hero is consistent practice. Begin on the easy difficulty setting to learn the basics and build muscle memory. As you feel more comfortable, gradually increase the difficulty to challenge yourself. Play songs you genuinely enjoy to keep the experience fun and engaging. Aim for a 90% or higher accuracy on songs before moving to the next difficulty level. Keep rocking, and you'll be a Guitar Hero legend in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.